Peppermint, refreshing relief for mind and body. Peppermint, with its invigorating scent and cooling properties, offers a multitude of benefits for both physical and mental well-being. This aromatic herb, scientifically known as Mentha piperita, has been treasured for centuries for its ability to soothe digestion, clear the mind, and invigorate the senses. Benefits of peppermint. Digestive aid. Peppermint is renowned for its ability to ease digestive discomfort and promote healthy digestion. Its natural menthol content helps relax the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Mental clarity. Inhaling the refreshing aroma of peppermint essential oil can help clear the mind and enhance mental alertness. Peppermint's stimulating properties can help increase focus, improve cognitive function, and combat mental fatigue. Respiratory support. Peppermint's cooling sensation can provide relief from respiratory congestion and promote easier breathing. Drinking peppermint tea or inhaling peppermint steam can help alleviate symptoms of nasal congestion, sinusitis, and allergies. Headache relief. Peppermint oil applied topically or inhaled can help alleviate tension headaches and migraines. Its analgesic and vasodilating properties help relax tense muscles and improve blood flow to the brain, reducing headache severity and duration. Natural energizer. Peppermint's invigorating aroma and cooling sensation can help boost energy levels and combat fatigue. Inhaling peppermint oil or enjoying a cup of peppermint tea can provide a natural pick-me-up when you're feeling sluggish or tired. How to use peppermint. Peppermint tea. Steep dried peppermint leaves in hot water to make a refreshing herbal tea. Enjoy it hot or cold for a soothing and invigorating beverage. Peppermint oil. Dilute peppermint essential oil with a carrier oil and apply it topically to temples, forehead, or neck for headache relief. You can also diffuse peppermint oil or inhale it directly from the bottle for mental clarity and energy boost. Incorporating peppermint into your daily routine can provide a refreshing and revitalizing experience for both body and mind. Stay tuned as we explore more herbal wonders on Organic Wellness TV. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of herbal remedies. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Organic Wellness TV for more tips, recipes, and inspiration on living a vibrant, organic lifestyle. Until next time, be well and stay rooted in wellness.